Amigos y amigas, my name is Jonathan Echavarria. I am the on-premise multicultural account specialist for Fedway Associates. Today I'm at the laboratory in Basking Ridge and we're going to be making a cocktail called La Francesa using Grey Goose vodka. So what you'll need for La Francesa is lemon lime soda, fresh lime juice, pineapple juice, a raspberry syrup, and of course our Grey Goose 80 proof vodka. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start with a ½ ounce of lime juice. We're going to do a full ounce pineapple juice, and then another ½ ounce of our raspberry syrup. We'll finish off with 1½ ounces of Grey Goose vodka. And our cocktail's ready to shake. We'll fill our glass with ice. We'll strain our cocktail. And top it off with our lemon lime soda. And then finished off with a fresh lime wedge. And there you have it, La Francesa. Salud.